Hey, what's going on? My name is Ricardo, and I'm gonna tell you a quick story. About a month ago, I went to 10X Growth Con in Miami, and it was like 30,000, over 30,000 people there. Really cool conference. And I was just like, yo, there's 30,000 people here. Like, there's no way that I shouldn't be able to sign up as many clients as I wanted, because they were all pretty much, somewhere or another, they were all pretty much good potential clients. But I just couldn't, like, I spoke to different people, and I mean, I met a lot of people, but I didn't really have the right sort of framework or tactics or whatever you want to call it. And then I saw conference profits, and I was just like, holy crap, I wish I had this a month ago, because I would have cleaned up. If you're on the fence, like, the next conference that you go to, you really could make a killing. If I knew what I know now, then a month ago, I would have been golden. So if you're on the fence, jump off right now, pick it up. There's a lot that you could do. The strategies are solid, and check it out.